yeah, so going to this video on today. We're just gonna do 10 burps for the weekly burp video that I said that I'd do for you guys. So let's go. Let's just go. Oh, that didn't come out. Okay, that didn't. That one doesn't count because I messed up. So let's just say we're at 3 now. Oh wait, no, this one counts. That's called leftovers. Oh, dang it. Sometimes they get stuck. They stay inside my stomach. Oh, dang it. Well, that's gonna have to end the video because, I can't burp. This is gonna be the first part of it, no. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye. No, really, bye. Okay, I'm just joking. Let me wait for a couple seconds until it's over. Until it comes out. The time I'm recording this is like